Hello everyone, so this is the summary of the poem Base Details by Siegfried Sassoon. So these are the important points. This poem was published in Sassoon's 1918 collection Counterattack and Other Poems. This poem is a satire on the lavish and luxurious life of the majors who sent soldiers to die in First World War. Sassoon criticizes British majors and elite class officials who are responsible for the deaths of thousands of young men in the war. The comfort and luxury of high status officers has been contrasted with the harsh reality of the lives of young soldiers in this poem. So, this is the text of the poem. If I were fierce and bold and short of breath, I would live with scarlet majors at the base and speed glum heroes up the line to death. You would see me with my puffy, petulant face, guzzling and gulping in the best hotel, reading the roll of honor. Poor young chap, I would say, I used to know his father well. Yes, we have lost heavily in this last scrap, and when the war is done and youth stone dead, I would toddle safely home and die in bed. So when the poem opens, poet criticizes the high-rank officials of British Army. He describes the majors as short-tempered, old and unfit who live in army base. Poet says that if he had been a major, then he would send unwilling soldiers to die on the front lines. If he had been a major, he would have looked bloated and indulging in enjoying the delicious food and drinks at the best hotel where he would have stayed. Next, he says that he would read the names of those soldiers who had recently lost their lives in the war. He would say that he knew the father of one of the soldiers who recently died and would call that soldier to be a poor fellow. He would also say that his death has caused a serious loss. Next, poet says that after the war ended and thousands of soldiers were killed, he would come back to his home and die a comfortable death in his own home. So in this poem, poet imagines himself as a major in British Army who enjoys a luxurious and comfortable life and is insensitive about the deaths of thousands of young soldiers in the war. And here the poem ends.